Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your computer. To start the process, go to your browser and open YouTube Studio. Then click on Create on your top right. Select Upload Videos from the given list. Then click on Select Files. Now drag the desired video and start the process. Then select the title of your video. Now add the suitable hashtags with the video. Now add the description in the description box. Now a video link will appear on the screen. Then scroll down from here and set the required privacy of the content. After that, click on Age Restriction Advanced. From here, select No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Now click on Next and a new window will appear. Here you can add subtitles, end screen, and add cards. After that, click on Next. Go to the checks and click on Next again. Now go to the visibility and select the unlisted published option. You can add the desired schedule from the screen. After that, click on Save and finish the process. This is how you can upload YouTube Shorts from your computer. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.